Check out my sweet potato, guys. Look at it. It's got some eyes. See? Okay, so I have this dice here. And see how it says I? And then on the reverse, it says lap. Yep, or pal. Right? Okay, and then here it says leg. Okay, and then over here it says time. Timey. Time. Timey. And then here it says boy for your yob job. And then it's got ladies for the lads. And the land. And the Y for the cup for Jack. Okay, and so there's so much in these cups, you guys, in these words. I showed you before. Look at how the E can go like this. See, and you see how it can go like this? You see how it can go like this? Well, that's also like this. It's called the flip scripts. Okay, and this is a rule of Weem. W-E-E-M. And then the E, when it's flipped, it becomes a 3. See how that looks like a 3? Okay. Now this does this too in the zodiac. Let me show you. Okay, here's some more of my art, and I have drawn a flying saucer. Okay, this is the flying saucer, and you've got your cup down here. He's on this part. He's on the icy rings, the P-U-C-K, the peck, the cup, Pluto the dog. Okay, out there on ice, hockeying around, being putt-putted all the way around with these little putt-putts here. Okay, and these are also supposed to represent the Ferris wheel. This is supposed to represent the Little Dipper and the Big Dipper, which is the spoon. Okay, and it's pertaining to the zodiac, and it does this when it goes all the way around. So this is where the symbol of the swastika comes from the whirling log, the wheel, the bicycle wheel. Okay, now you got your 8-spoke wheel. Okay, and then you got your 12-spoke wheel. Okay, and they work together. They overlap each other. Okay, and these stories are talking about the waves. Okay, and how the overlaps. And notice if you put this on top of this, in your mind, it will kind of look like a fan blade. Okay, and we're the fans in the crowd. Okay, so I've had these dice over here, and I've done the templates before. I've shown you the templates, like how this is the dice, this is the regular dice, just like these, except this one's bigger, right? And I've showed you about Paradise Earth with the snake eyes and your Jack Connect. I've showed you how that is your white cube and your black cube, your salt and pepper shakers, okay, your white stone and your black rock, your Red Bull, your yin and your yang right there. This is representative of so many things, like even inside your body, your own personal duality, the Taurus field, because this is pertaining to the yin yang symbol, which is also likened into a blade that spins. Okay, trying to convey information that's like multidimensional in a 2D platform. It does take an intelligent mind to do these kind of things, and then to like lift them up. Right, so that's what a lot of the information from the past is concerning, like 3D images. And so this is why the statutes were created, the idols, right? And the idols were supposed to be a means of teaching, much like this potato. It's a method of teaching. I have taught you something about a potato with its eyes. See how it kind of has that little snout there? And it kind of looks like a little piggy, right? And it's a sweet little potato. Okay. Well, okay, so back to these dice, though. I showed you that, and then I showed you this hijack box. Okay, and this hijack is important when it comes to Paradise Earth, because all around the ring of this box, now we're supposed to have 2 because we have 2, right? And we're crowned. So all around this box, there's 4 sides, right? In this hijack windows box. And you got 5, 10, 15, 20. Let me write that down for you. Yeah, and I'm going to use my red marker for this one. 20. Okay, now let's count our, let's pretend like this is our second die. Let's count the ring around it again. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, so based on my analysis, when it comes to these dice, because of this special die that is from the template of the die, you're not going to know that this is pertaining to 2020. Okay, and with your snake eyes here, there's a lot here also pertaining to 2020 vision. And as to why I'm the 2020 visionary. Okay, these numbers are important for man when it comes to vision about the crown. Okay, and I just showed you how I got the 20, so I just thought I would do this video one more time.